There's no doubt that our region's growing energy need is something that poses one of the greatest challenges for us here in Metro Atlanta. So we're going to need new and creative ways to think about how we harness power. And this is the type of collaboration across sectors that's really essential to drive innovation and foster a sustainable future.
The solar arrays on the Carbon Neutral Energy Solutions building were installed over a decade ago when the building was built. And Stryten's BESS provides the missing piece of this puzzle, accelerating progress in renewable energy adoption. And I think that's a big win for everyone.
And this application is one of a kind, right? The EV charger is talking to the battery's talking to solar's talking to Georgia Power, and they're all talking to each other. And they're making all these techno-economic decisions, turning it into a commercial benefit for both the local site that's using it, as well as the broader community as a whole.
This project is where the old grid meets the new one. And we can monitor this basically anywhere we have the internet.
This is what we call a BMS, puts all the data up on the cloud.
Minute by minute, we can see what the electric power price is. And so our kind of mantra could be, bring us an algorithm, we'll bring the assets and the data, and we'll figure it out together.
The other benefit of this technology is that it's fully domestic built, and we have a full closed loop recycle economy. So yeah, you can easily scale this and put it into the community as well.